What is the definition of overunity?
So what is the definition of overunity? The first definition of originality created by Lloyd G. Stovall 1983 to 1984. Definitions: alternating direct current and or double alternating current DAAC or ADC. 2. In physics, V over 1 equals overunity. Y is the symbol for overunity. V stands for veritable, and 1 stands for the unit or source of power. A power source whose direction of power is a state of variability, this also can be called fluctuating capacity. 3. Overunity is a unit of measurement that observes certain principles that include expanding of the source or indefinitely depending on its incoming voltage in amps. For example, if a battery is current of 14 volts and you supply a 14 volts to that battery, when alternation occurs, a spring-like observation can be observed. When the battery gives off the 14 volts in its rest state, which is backed up simultaneously with its current, which prolongs the life of the battery indefinitely. 4. Is overunity has an ambiguous state in which current can flow from the battery to the veritable, or from the veritable into the battery, also referred as the source or unit.